I like talking about nothing.
I know, me too. It's the most exciting thing I've done ever in my life.
So, how's the weather?
It's pretty. It's pretty.
Look at the beautiful trees. Joseph just looks ugly. It's okay, I got this on camera, so I could just show you Dad.
Me?
You really do.
I say hi to your mom. Lunch.
Bro? You could go to her and you could get free cookies if you ask her.
She don't give me free cookies.
Because you don't ask.
Your mom's cool. I love your mom. I wish
Mom's
your mom.
amazing.
I wish your.
She
I
look
wish your.
nice.
I wish your. Can I talk?
Ooh, girl. You don't get to act too.
I wish your mom was my mom.
Yeah, you look like your mom.
You look
My
like your
mom has
dad.
like Chinese eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Who does Joseph look like? His mom or dad? I say both.
None of them.
No, you look like your mom.
You're like his brother.
No, you look like your dad, but you act like your mom.
Yeah, there you go.
And little Peter just looks like your dad and acts like your dad.
Yep.
That's all you get is the back of his head. Can you turn around, please, sir? No, because I don't want to be in this video. Oh, I just saw you. I already caught you on camera.
So you go like that.
Wow.
Well, I'm going to turn this video off.
Dumb, son.
Joseph. Well, say bye. You're like the silent type.